Hey, how's all going, folks? Ranger Nick here. I need some help. I've returned to the scene where we produced the world record damper. We're here in Charleville on the 13th of July 2019. A group of us all got together with help from the community and we produced a world record damper at 153.002 metres, bringing a title from Sweden back to Australia. If you happen to be here on the day, or you know anyone that was here on the day, and you might have some photographs, film footage, some interesting information about the event, I'd like to get my hands on it so that we can put together a compilation of the day and have that in history. So we've got a historic event happening there, and I'd really appreciate your help. So if you do have anything along the lines, could you please send it to rangernick@rangernick.com.au. Thanks very much, folks.